How to connect Epic Games with Rockstar. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is click on the top right on my profile picture. Once you are here, you want to click on the settings, and over here you want to click on linked accounts. Now, as you can see over here inside the linked accounts section, there is no Epic Games. Now that's actually quite unfortunate, but why is that exactly? Well, I actually do not know. It's quite weird why Epic Games is not here, but there is a different option in order to do this. And that's by going to the support over here. Once you've clicked on Rockstar support, you want to go ahead and click on Social Club. And here you want to click on Social Club account. And then here you have an option called account linking. So here is what we can do. So it says enter a PSN ID for PSN, gamertag for Xbox, or Social Club nickname for PC. So here you want to enter your Social Club nickname. Then in the description, you want to type something in like this. So I would like to connect my Rockstar Social Club account with Epic Games, Epic Games ID, and then your Epic Games ID. Now, how can you actually find your Epic Games ID? Well, you simply want to go to the website of Epic Games. You want to make sure to log into your account on the top right corner. Then click on account right over here. And then once this loads up, it says under account information ID, and then your exact ID. So that's basically what you want to do. And then you could, for example, add a screenshot or something right over here. And then you want to submit the web ticket. Now here it says that the estimated response is under 24 hours. And yeah, I hope this will help you out. So that is how to connect Epic Games with Rockstar.